Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product, the Nikon camera, which I've been using for a while now, and I gotta say, it's been a game changer for my photography work, providing sharp images guaranteed, and I think it's a must-have for professional photographers only. So, what is it, you ask? Well, it's a high-end digital camera designed specifically for professionals, and it's packed with some incredible features that make it stand out from the rest, and I'm going to break it down for you in a minute. Now, let's dive into the specs. The zoom on this thing is insane. We're talking 125x, which is perfect for capturing those distant shots, and the sensor is 16 MP, which provides amazing image quality, and the ISO range is 100/6400, giving you flexibility in different lighting conditions, and it can shoot 4K UHD video, which is stunning, and the screen is 3.2 inches, making it easy to review your shots. And as for the weight, well, I gotta say, it's really well balanced, and it feels great in your hands. And I think all these specs combined make it perfect for professional photographers who need sharp images guaranteed. I've been using it on my photo shoots, and it's been a dream to work with. The images are so sharp and vibrant, and it's really taken my work to the next level. And I've been getting so many compliments on my photos, and I think it's all thanks to this amazing camera. I've used it to capture everything from portraits to landscapes, and it's performed flawlessly every time. And the autofocus is fast and accurate, which is essential for capturing those perfect moments. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which makes it easy to transfer your photos to your phone or computer, and it's also compatible with a wide range of lenses, which gives you even more flexibility and creative control. I've also been impressed with the camera's battery life. It can last for hours on a single charge, which is perfect for long photo shoots or travel photography. So, what's my verdict? Well, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's an incredible camera that's definitely worth the investment if you're a professional photographer, and I think it's worth every penny, and I highly recommend it to anyone who needs sharp images guaranteed. I've used it in a variety of real-world situations, from weddings to sports events, and it's performed flawlessly every time, and I think it's a great choice for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. If you're a professional photographer, or just someone who loves taking photos, I think this camera is definitely worth considering. And I think it's a great investment for anyone who wants to capture high-quality images, and I'm sure you'll be impressed with the results. If you like this review, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all later. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more product reviews and photography tips. And I'll be back with another review soon, so stay tuned.